Let's look at the exchange of news in Kiswahili. Exchange of news is very important. While other people might find it evasive, in Kiswahili or in the Swahili culture, we find it quite respectful and caring that you're actually taking some moment to find out about how someone is doing. What's the first one? Hello, Mambo. Let's look at the responses. Poa, salama, nzuri, njema, safi. So that's where the dialogue starts from. Mambo, how are things? Things are all good. It's all good. You can use all these responses for this greeting, which is Mambo. Then sometimes you go and ask, and you? Na wewe? Can you pronounce that? Na wewe? We did it earlier on in the lesson, so point out that. Na wewe and you, so that there can be a dialogue between the two people. And you can also always respond with any of these if someone asks you. Na wewe, you can say poa, salama, nzuri, njema, safi in Kiswahili. Children. What's the noun for children in Kiswahili? Watoto. Can you pronounce that? Watoto. Good. So how do you ask, how are the children? Habari za watoto. Can you pronounce that? Habari za watoto. Habari za watoto. You can hear my tone is going high so that it can be a question. And I can always respond with any of these responses. Let's run through this together. Mambo. Poa. Na wewe? Nzuri. Habari za watoto. Safi. That's it. Well done.
Tujifunze Kiswahili.
Let's learn Swahili.